Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. 2x plus square root of x equals 10. Okay, this is simple because we know what we're going to do. Let's make this the subject first, right? So that we have square root of x will now be equal to 10 minus 2x. And again, from here, the next thing we are going to do is making sure that this square root is eliminated, right? So to do that, we are going to have square root of x squared, and it will be equal to 10 minus 2x, and this will be squared as well, right? To continue with this and this will be gone, so that x will now be equal to 10 minus 2x squared. Then for this, a minus b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a to the power of 2 minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is what this means. And for that, I'm going to express this in the form of this, so that x will now be equal to 10, a squared will now be 10 squared, right? Minus 2 times a, our a is 10, multiplied by b, and it's 2x. Then plus b squared, that would be 2x in bracket squared. If you don't put this square here, this bracket here, it means that only the x is having the power of 2. To continue, our x will be equal to 100. 10 squared is 100 minus 2 times 10, 20 times 2 again, we have 40x. Then plus 2x squared will give 4x squared. And now we can rearrange what we have here, so that we'll be having 4x squared first minus 40x. This becomes negative x, and this is plus 100. This is equal to 0. And to continue from here, 4x squared minus 41x plus 100 is equal to 0. And now, what do we do? Use the quadratic general formula to deal with this. Our a in the formula will be 4. Our b in the formula is negative 41. And our c in the formula is 100. Now, what is the formula? The formula is x equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, put in the values of a, b, c. X will be equal to, in place of minus 41, in place of minus b, we'll be having negative 41. Because this negative will come down, and b itself is negative 41, right? Plus or minus. We have negative 41 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a is 4, times c, and it's 100. The whole of this will be over 2 times 4, because a is 4. Let's continue from here. X is equal to negative will give positive, so we have 41 over there, plus or minus. Minus 41 squared will give us 1681. Okay, 1681. Then minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 100 is 1600. And then this will be over this will be over 2 times 4, and that is 8, right? So from here we continue. X will now be equal to 41 plus or minus square root of 81. 1681 minus 1600 will give us 81, and this is over 8. To continue with this, x will be equal to 41 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9, and this is over 8. Now this is a 2-in-1 solution. We can split this so that x is equal to 41 plus 9 over 8, or it is 41 minus 9 over 8. Okay, so now let's deal with this. X is equal to 41 plus 9, that will give us 50, right? So we have 50 over 8, or on this side 41 minus 9 will give us 32, and that is over 8. Let's continue. Okay, so these are the values, and x from here is equal to 25 over 4, right? Or 32 over 8 will give us 4. So these are the values, but then I would like to put these values back into the equation. The equation is 2x plus square root of x equals 10. Now let's work with this value 4 first. So we're going to have 2 times 4 plus square root of 4. Will this be equal to 10? Okay, will this be equal to 10? Let's go. This is 8 plus square root of 4 is 2, right? And this is definitely 10. So we are correct to say that x is equal to 4. But then let's look at the other value, which is x equal to 25 over 4, right? Now that means we are having 2 times 25 over 4, close this, plus square root of 25 over 4. Now will this give us 10? Because we were having 10 on the right hand side, right? Now this will go here, and we have 2, so we have 25 over 2 plus square root of 25 is 5, and square root of 4 is 2. Now the LCM is 2, so write 2 over there. Then we have 25 plus 5. This is giving us 30 over 2, right? And this is equal to 15. 30 over 2 is 15. And remember, we're not having 15 on the right. We're having 10, right? So this means that x to be equal to 25 over 4 does not satisfy the given equation. Only x to be equal to 4 satisfies. Thank you for watching.